Hey, what's going on, guys? Just here at the shop. Wanted to give you all a little video of a car that I just wrapped up. It's a S550 twin turbo stick shift, still a stock motor car, and by stick shift it's a T56, not the MT82 anymore. It's a bottom mount car. It's basically a modified on-3 kit. It had a few things to change. It has comp turbos, oilless, but it does have the water. I can show y'all that real quick. And then what did we do to it? We did the triple pump setup. it already had a return style, but we pulled the dual pump and went to a triple pump. So I did the hat and then the FC3. It's a 4 innovation setup. Also did the injectors, put some dang it, ID 1300 X's in it, or X2 technically, but ID 1300s. What else? The watt box. Put a watt box on it, and something pretty cool that's going to be fun to mess with is I used the watt box to simulate basically a rolling anti-lag. So I got that on a switch. I can kind of show y'all that, and I do have a video of it, of getting on it real lightly just to test it. So let me get into showing y'all the car. So here's the car. It's actually a pretty sweet little car. I know some might not like the spoiler, but it's kind of grown on me, and I mean, it's grown on a lot of people here locally to me. But I mean, he's got his beadlock welds, some Aluma stars up front with the bare brakes. A lot of this car is put together elsewhere, but it's kind of gonna be in my hands now, hopefully from here on out. There's some things that I would like to change, but it's not super important, so we won't do it. But you can kind of see in there the injectors. Let me see if I can get y'all a good view of the turbos. You can kind of see right there that blue fitting. That's a water line. I'm not sure how it's ran. I didn't even look, but I guess it just ties into the cooling system. So their comp 64, 67s, I believe. But yeah, it's a pretty dope little car. Let me show y'all the inside. What we got here? So he runs a Cortex boost controller, and I've never used it. Let's scoot the seat back. I've never used it, but it's actually pretty cool. The way he was showing me that it dials in off the laptop, and it reads RPM and gear off of a sensor from the trans. It's actually really neat. What else got? Well, there's the wire for the watt box. I have the watt box tucked up underneath the dash, so you can't really see it, and it's not in the way if he does put something in in the glove box. Stick car, of course, like I said, T56. What else? The switch for the anti-lag setup. So it's on. All he has to do is just go watt, turn it off, and it'll take off. And it does actually build some boost, so it's pretty cool. And he doesn't have to be on it that long. I do have video of it, and I'll put that video in as soon as I'm done going over the car. And possibly a draggy hit by the time I upload this thing, because we have a little goal for it. One sec. He does have a little 4-point roll bar. Doesn't have the door bars. He even has rear seat delete, but has a stereo setup in it. Car is very, I guess, daily friendly. It drives really well. But shoot, you know what? Let me go ahead and fire it up. Let me open the shop door right quick, and I'll fire it up. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a quick little rundown of the car. I know I don't upload very often. It's kind of difficult with the whole one-man shop thing and having to try to remember to record things and then upload or whatever. So if nothing else, if I can't give y'all constant content, I'll just try to, once I finish up a car, I'm gonna try to give a quick little rundown of what I did. If y'all want to see more of what I do on the daily, or when I post something every few days, if y'all have Instagram or even TikTok, I have TikTok now, so y'all can follow along there on my Instagram and TikTok. It's so much easier just to upload a simple video or a picture on Instagram or TikTok instead of YouTube, where it takes more editing and uploading time and all that. So same thing, Drowsy Nate 722. So yeah, just follow me there. Appreciate everyone that subscribed to me thus far, and hopefully I can give you guys some more content coming soon. So till next time.